What if one compact charger could replace several charging bricks in your bag? Today, I'm unboxing the Anker 100W charger with 3 ports and a smart display. It promises up to 100 watts of power, real-time charging information, and a compact design. So, let's open the box and see what it can actually do. Here's the package. Inside, we have the Anker 100W charger, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and the welcome guide. And here's the charger itself. The first thing I noticed is the size. Despite being a 100W charger, it's still fairly compact. The foldable plug also makes it convenient to carry around. This is definitely the kind of charger that can easily fit into a backpack or shoulder bag. Before looking at the features, I wanted to compare it with the charger I normally use with my MacBook. Here's the MacBook 70W charger next to the Anker 100W charger. Interestingly, despite the Anker being advertised as a compact charger, it is actually slightly bigger and heavier than the MacBook 70W charger. However, there's an important difference. The MacBook charger is a single-purpose 70W charger, while the Anker gives you up to 100 watts and 3 charging ports, along with a built-in smart display. So, although the Anker isn't necessarily smaller than the MacBook charger, it offers considerably more functionality in a single unit. Now let's take a closer look. The charger comes with 3 ports, including USB-C ports designed to deliver up to 100 watts of maximum power. The main feature that caught my attention is this smart display. Instead of simply plugging in your device and guessing what's happening, the display gives you real-time information about the charging process. You can see details such as power being delivered, voltage, temperature, and port performance. And the animated display makes the information easy to notice while the charger is working. Another interesting feature is Anker's Active Shield 4.0 technology, which monitors temperature more than 1 million times per day to help maintain safe and stable charging. So, this charger isn't just about high power, it's also designed to monitor the charging process. Now comes the interesting part. I wanted to see how the charger performs when multiple devices are connected at the same time. So, I connected 3 mobile phones to the charger. And this is where the smart display becomes really useful. As the phones start charging, the display shows how much power is being used in real time. You can actually watch the power consumption change as the 3 phones charge. This gives you a much better idea of what's happening instead of simply seeing a charging icon on your phone. And with 3 devices connected simultaneously, having this information available directly on the charger is pretty convenient. The actual charging speed will depend on the devices, battery levels, cables, and how the charger distributes power between the ports. But having 3 charging ports in one unit definitely makes it more practical for charging multiple devices. After unboxing and testing it with 3 phones, I think the biggest attraction of this charger is the combination of power, multiple ports, and real-time charging information. It may be slightly bigger and heavier than the MacBook 70W charger, but you're getting much more functionality in a single charger. So, that's my first look at the Anker 100W charger with smart display. Would you choose this over a standard laptop charger? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the Malabari lens for more tech, travel, and interesting finds.